Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload ticket on SeatGeek. First you have to log into your SeatGeek account, then hover over to your profile icon at the top right corner, and then from here you will find tickets. Simply click on it, and from here in the ticket section you will find add button here. After clicking on add button, you just need to enter the tickets. Here are the example for the ticket. You just need to upload the PDF of the ticket. After clicking on add ticket, you can see you can add MBL tickets, NFL tickets, NCAA tickets. Also you can add e-tickets from here. Simply click on add e-tickets to add tickets from another platform or other tickets. Those three, the first three, MLB, NFL, and NCAA tickets, are related to the match and team. You just need to select the team, and but for the electronic ticket, e-ticket, you just need to enter the PDF of the ticket or the barcode of the ticket here, and you have to download it, and you just need to drag and drop the PDF and the ticket to your e-ticket section here, and that's how you can upload your ticket on SeatGeek. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.